everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to wax your eyebrows at home, because I know people either go get them threaded or waxed, and it's either on average $8 to $10, but I've been doing it at home for about 3 years now, and I found that when I kept going to the salon, they kept getting thinner and thinner and thinner. So I said, I'm gonna take this into my own hands. So watch this video if you would like to keep your eyebrows nice and manicured by yourself at home. So the things you're going to need are you're going to need your wax. But what I use is an at-home waxer, and it's by the brand Gigi. And I got this at Sally's. Everything I'm going to use you can find at Sally's. But this was, I will put the price down below because I can't think of it right now. And then what happens is they have wax canisters that go into the warmer, so you don't even have to take the wax out. And then they have facial wax, body wax, so this is a facial wax. And then you're going to need waxing pads. You can get any size of these at Sally's, and they're not expensive. And then also your waxing tools. What I love to use are toothpicks, but most people like to use these popsicle sticks, but they come in all kinds of sizes. So if you're not too steady-handed and you don't want to use a toothpick, then you could go in with the popsicle stick. You need some scissors and a handy-dandy spoolie. So first what I like to do is cut the strips more. Actually, they came like this big, so I cut these. I get more for what I paid. And then I usually cut them into thinner strips like this because my eyebrow is not that big, and this will be able to go easier over the wax. So I just cut them. Depending on your area, you can make them any shape or size you want. And then I take my spoolie and brush my eyebrows hair up. Eyebrow hairs. And for the bottom, you're going to want to brush all your hairs up. And you're definitely going to want to start off with a clean face, because if you have oils or moisturizer on your face, the wax isn't going to stay good and it's not going to peel off good. So what you're going to do is just dip your toothpick or popsicle stick into the wax and blow it off so you don't burn your skin off. And follow your brow line. I like to use and just follow right under your arch. And it's also better to do it at home because you know how you want your shape. Even if you tell them to clean it up, you know, they might do too much. Like that. And then take your strip and smooth it the way of the hair. So smooth it the way that you put on the wax. And then you're gonna want to hold down the way that you'll be ripping. You're gonna rip away from the grain. I think that's what they say in waxing or shaving or something like that. And then you're going to just pull it off in a fast motion. Like that. And then you can see all your hair come off if you did it right. And then go in and see if you like the shape. And then since I don't put the wax on so thick, some of my hairs tend to stay, but I just go in with tweezers after and get all the leftover hair. And then so for the bottom, you're gonna brush all your hairs down. For the top, brush all your hairs down. And then do the exact same thing. Apply the wax in the direction that your hair is going. And always wax. Just go in with a strip and dab. And that is how you wax your eyebrows at home. Thanks for watching, and I hope